Hey traders, welcome to the exciting world of price action trading. Ready to unlock the secrets of price action trading? Let's dive in and explore the fundamentals that can transform your trading game. Price action trading is all about reading the market's raw price movements. No indicators, no fancy algorithms, just pure price action. Just the price action on your charts. Sounds cool, right? It's like learning to read the market's mind. First up, let's talk about support and resistance. These are the bedrock of price action trading. These are key levels where the price tends to reverse. They act as psychological barriers for traders. Imagine them as the floor and ceiling of a room. The price bounces between these levels. When the price hits the floor, it bounces up. This is known as support. When it hits the ceiling, it bounces down. This is known as resistance. Simple, yet powerful. Next, candlestick patterns. These patterns give us clues about market sentiment. They tell a story about the battle between buyers and sellers. Take the hammer, for example. It's a powerful reversal pattern. It looks like a little hammer with a long wick. This wick shows rejection of lower prices. When you see this at the bottom of a downtrend, it signals a potential reversal. It's a sign that buyers are stepping in. It's like the market saying, hey, I might be going up now. Then there's trend lines. Drawing trend lines helps you identify the market's direction. They connect the dots of price action, connect the higher lows in an uptrend or the lower highs in a downtrend. This helps you visualize the trend. It's like plotting a course on a map. You're charting the market's journey. Follow the line and you'll know where the market's heading. It's a roadmap for your trades. Another key concept is breakouts. These are exciting moments in trading. This happens when the price moves beyond a significant level, like support or resistance. It's a signal of strong momentum. Breakouts are often followed by strong price movements. They can lead to significant trading opportunities. Think of it as breaking through a barrier. Once the price breaks through, it can move freely. Once you're through, there's a lot of open space to move. Finally, let's talk about volume. Volume shows the number of shares or contracts traded in a given period. It's the fuel behind price movements. High volume during a breakout? That's a strong signal the breakout is real. It confirms the move. Low volume? Be cautious. The breakout might not hold. It could be a false signal. Always check the volume to validate breakouts. It's a crucial step in your analysis. Remember, practice is key. Open up your charts and start spotting these patterns. The more you practice, the better you'll get. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Consistency is what turns knowledge into skill. So, there you have it. The basics of price action trading. It's a powerful approach that relies on understanding the market's language. The basics of price action trading. No magic, no secrets, just pure market analysis. No magic, no secrets, just understanding the language of the market. It's all about reading the story the price tells, just understanding the language of the market. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep learning and growing together. Let's keep learning and growing together. Happy trading. Remember, the market is a vast ocean of opportunities. Dive in and make the most of it.